So here's how we can fix the Apple Watch only showing the favorites, right? So there are some things which you might mean by that. Let's get started and let me show you what you could do about it. So first of all, if the Apple Watch is only showing you the favorite photos, then you can of course set it up and change it inside of the Watch app of the iPhone. And naturally it has to be the one you use to set it up, and which is the paired iPhone. But in there you can check out the Photos section by scrolling through the available apps, and you essentially get to decide whether or not the favorites album is going to be synced with the Apple Watch or some other ones. Like the favorites is kind of the default option, I believe. So every photo in the gallery where you click the heart icon on will automatically appear on the watch, but you can also change it and choose a different album to actually be there, right? So you can decide how your photos are supposed to be organized and which are supposed to appear on the watch. Also make sure that the photos syncing is enabled and at the top to make things appear and, make everything run smoothly. If you, however, mean something else, like, there might be some favorites, I don't know, like apps showing up on the watch face, right? That is all very easily customizable. Just hold down on the watch face, click on edit, and swipe through the action. So you can check out the styles, colors, but also the complications. And these are like the apps, which are technically like your favorites since they appear on the first page, but that is how you can edit them as well. So yeah, plenty of ways of how you can do it and make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you like the video. And thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorial. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.